Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Denisse. I'm new here at YouTube. I've been a makeup artist for 9 years now, and I just can't wait to start showing you guys the passion that I have for makeup and the passion that I have for meeting people and just getting to know people and for people to get to know me. So all you makeup lovers, welcome to my channel. Have a great one and see you in a bit. So starting off, I'm going to prime using the Farsali Skin Tone Blur. Guys, this feels so soft. I mean, it is unbelievable. I am just loving this product right now. I am in love, in love, in love. It feels so soft on the skin. It feels great. It feels awesome. I really love the smoothness on my skin. I mean, I do live in a tropical island, and the humidity right now in September and October is crazy, so you guys can imagine. I am in love with this product. It feels delicious on my skin. For foundation, I will be using the Urban Decay All Nighter. And this is a shade 3.25. Just blending out the product. Ooh, this is nice. I love Urban Decay. I love the foundation. It's beautiful. It's flawless. It has a matte finish. So I really, really love this foundation. I really didn't know how to start off this video. This is my first video after, let's say, a year, and don't even look at my first video, just ignore that one, please. I was just starting off. I was going to start off actually a year ago, but I don't know if you guys heard that over here in Puerto Rico, Hurricane Maria struck September of last year, September 21st. I had everything planned out. I had just my backdrop, my camera, everything, you know, planned out just to start this channel of mine. And it was so devastating when that hurricane hit Puerto Rico, because we were without light for almost 3, 4, even some places are still without light. I mean, for months. So water, we were without water too, and it was very, very hard on us. And right now I know what Florida is going through, and my condolences to all of you who have lost a home, to all of you who are now struggling. I know what it is. I mean, I lost my home as well. Just the whole ceiling just flew off, and it was very hard, very devastating what we had to go through. But here we are, and we're here standing strong, and this is the time, and this is my time. So maybe a year ago I wasn't able to start my channel, but I believe that everything happens for a reason, and I'm here just expressing myself with you guys. I feel so happy, a little nervous at the same time, because I just feel like you guys are right here in this same room, and that I am talking to millions and millions of people, so you can imagine how nervous I am. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and this get to know me, get ready with me video, and yeah, let's keep on going. So I'm done with my foundation, and now for concealer, I will be using the Tarte Shape Tape. Of course, you all know this is like number 1. I mean, for me, it's number 1. Let's just go wild here. There you have it. Now, let's just get to blending. Setting it, I will be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I will let that translucent powder sit there for a while. So to seal my foundation, I will be going in with the MAC Studio Fix. I always go down to my neck just to get a nice even tone all around. So I will be bronzing using my Hoola bronzer, which I am so in love with. I mean, it gives me such a beautiful, beautiful contour. It's so pretty. The color just goes perfectly with my skin tone. I am in love with Hoola. Guys, just look at that. How beautiful is that? So gorgeous. By the way, I am using the Morphe Wine 9 to contour. I am now going to bake a little bit. So I will be doing my brows off camera, and I will be right back because you will be witnessing the after. So back and ready to rumble with my brows all said and done. I am so excited to be able to use the new Gingerbread palette by Too Faced. But before, of course, I will be priming my eyelids using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I'll be going in, priming my lid. There we go. Okay, you guys, all said and done. I'm not going to seal my eyelid with any translucent powder or anything. I'm just going straight in with the shadows. I will be using the Gingerbread palette by Too Faced. I am so excited because it is brand new. I went to Sephora. I just fell in love with these colors. So beautiful. So I am going to play around with this palette with you guys. Let's see how it goes. So starting off with my crease, I will be going in with Figgy Pudding. It is this purple, like a Barney purple color. Figgy Pudding. Going onto the crease. Do you guys see how that color just popped up on that lid? Can you guys, are you guys witnessing what I am witnessing right now with this palette, with this color, with, oh my goodness, no, let's just keep on going. I'm just going to pop that on my crease. Just start diffusing it. Slowly diffuse it towards my inner corner. Also putting it towards my outer V. So now going in with Gumdrop. Beautiful, like a fuchsia pink kind of color. So pretty, you guys. I will be going on top of my crease, on top of that Figgy Pudding color, and just diffusing it just to give it a nice glam. very little product. Whew. I mean, if that's a little bit, girl. This palette has some pigment. Thank you so much, Too Faced, for this wonderful palette, Gingerbread. I am just in love, in love, in love. ¿Tú puedes dejar el cuido? Gracias. Cógelo, Vi. Cómete el popcorn ahí, pero deja cuido. Let's go in. You know, I want to try this hot toddy, and I want to do it all over my lid. So I think I am going to cut the crease and go in with hot toddy. Let's see how that goes. So I will be cutting the crease using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Okay, you guys, so there you have it. I have cut the crease, and now I will be applying the hot toddy all over the lid using my MAC 242. Let's go in and see what we have. Oh, it looks so pretty, as if it had like two tones. It looks like a rose gold with a coppery tone. I don't know, let's see what happens now. Little trick for your eyeshadow not to crease on top of that line that you see. All you have to do is grab a brush, small one, and just dab it down a little bit so that way the line can erase. And there you go. All you have to do now is just dab the product on your eyelid. And voila, there we have it. Look how pretty this hot toddy. I'm feeling hot right about now with this eyeshadow. So pretty. I've been asleep, head in the sand, watching the time just ticking. Clock runs around, days in and out, can't really call it living. Somewhere I let light go dark. Decided to go in with spiked eggnog just because I like how the color is. It's not too shimmery like Frostbite needs, but it is so glamorous, and just wanted to try it out and see how that worked. And you guys, look at it popping. So now going in with the NYX Epic Liner. Not too dramatic, just a simple liner, because I really want these colors to pop. And for my lower lash line, I am going to go in with Gumdrop. Lining my eye with Marc Jacobs black eyeliner. So I'm going to pop on some lashes and mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I am back. I put mascara and my lashes. My lashes are from Velour. They are the Velour For Real Tough Lashes right here. Here is the look, and now let's get ready for some blush, highlighter, lipstick, and we will be all done with our look. So let's just lightly go in with some blush. So pretty. Just a little bit of blush, give it a little glam. And for highlighter, I will be going in with the Anastasia Glow Kit. And with Moonstone, which is this one right here. Wow. I love it, love it, love it. Go ahead and go in the forehead. right towards the middle, center of my nose, my Cupid's bow. And last but not least, let's go in with the lips. I will be using Huda Beauty in the shade Bombshell. So you guys could comment down below, let me know what you think about this look. I created it just today. I wasn't sure what colors to use, but I am so in love with this palette, so in love with the colors. I think you could do so many great things with it, you guys. I recommend it 100%. So this is the final look, you guys, and if you could help me out by subscribing, I will appreciate it so much. This is my passion. I love makeup and I love to talk to people, meet people, and just inspire them to do what they love. I've been inspired by so many makeup artists, and this is what I love. This is what I'm going to do from now on. And I hope you guys could help me and support me and just subscribe to my channel, you guys. Hugs and kisses all the way from Puerto Rico. Mwah. Have a great one, you guys. Bye.
My life and let it be set on fire for all to see. Break me down, build me up again. Don't leave me the way I've been.